Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to copy wallet address on Luno. Now, copying a wallet address on Luno is essential for receiving cryptocurrency. Here's how you typically do it. First of all, open up the Luno app or go to Luno website and log into your account. You go to your wallet or wallet sections. Choose the specific cryptocurrency wallet you want to use, that is Bitcoin or Ethereum, and look for a receive deposit or similar button or option. Your wallet address will be displayed. It will be a long string of characters, that is letters and numbers. Then for the mobile app, there will often be a copy icon or button next to the address. Tap it to copy the address to your device's clipboard. Now for the website, you can usually click a copy button or select the address text and use your computer's copy function, that is Ctrl+C or Command+C. Now, you can now paste the copied wallet address into the appropriate field in another app or website. Hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below.